Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me the star and asked how to do it. Really, really easy. I'm going to take a star. I'm actually going to take a six-sided star. This doesn't really matter because I'm not going to rotate it. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then I'm going to turn it to a five-sided star. That puts that star in the middle, but in this video, we're not going to do that. I'm going to take a 2-point line and then go from that node to that node. You have to be dead on. So you're going to do these 5 lines from point to point because we need these separations. And I would actually do this a little bit different than they did. But now I'm going to see how big my star is, and it's almost 12 inches. I'm going to make my nudge factor 13. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, and let's see, they did that corner. I'm going to nudge that out of the way. I'm going to nudge the top all the way around. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to go to object and group that together so I can contour it all at one time. I'm going to go effects and contour. Let's try 0.25 to the inside. That might be too much. Let's go 0.2 to the inside. Now, and to make that star exactly, I'm going to take the star out of the way. I'm actually going to put these up, move these back. Whoop. I'm going to make it black. I'm going to maybe make it something other than a hairline. And now I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool set on black, and I'm just going to nudge these pieces back. And that's how they did it. Now, they might be a little bit different. Maybe I could have contoured less. Let's just see what that looks like. Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. This is a good process right here. Take this and copy it. Now let's go back. Go back to our contour. Before we contoured. Okay, there we go. Now I can right click and paste, and I have that star to kind of look at what it really looks like. Well, should have nudged it out of the way or grouped it together. So let's just do that. Let's nudge things out of the way. So that's what our original star looks like. Now we can take this and let's contour it 0.15. Get a little bit more of that black. I don't have to break the contour black apart because I'm just going to fill in the black. Nudge it over, nudge it over, nudge it over, nudge it over, nudge it over. Now, I should have taken away the lines. I can nudge away well, let me nudge away that. I actually think it might look good with the lines. Now I'm just going to nudge this over, 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 over. And then turn this black and make it black. Whoop, I didn't have anything selected. Make that black. I can't remember if we made it 20 points. And it does look better. I just contoured a little bit too much. But that's pretty much that star. They're a little bit closer to the edge, but the picture's so fuzzy I can't really tell. Pretty cool looking. Like I said, I would maybe do a little bit different, and depending on whether they're going to grade this or print it, you could take a little gray and fill everything else in gray to get a different look. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.